Hi, I am Alberto Piaggesi. I am the President of the European Wound Management Association, and I'm speaking to you from Pisa in Italy, where we are facing a dramatic situation because of the COVID-19 epidemic. As President of the European Wound Management Association, I feel it would be important to give to those who are eventually interested in this aspect, to give you an idea of what is the assistance and the management of our patient in these difficult situations. So we show you by means of little videos which changes and how we adapted and cope with the new and difficult conditions of working. So please follow me in the clinic, and we will see something related to our activity. So follow me into the clinic. Let me introduce to you our co-workers today are Dr. Goretti, Chiara, Dr. Pieruzzi, Letizia, and Lorenza Abruzzese, podologist. As you can see, the first thing that you can see in this place is that we are wearing all protective, disposable protective devices, which are mandatory when you have to deal and interact with infected patients or suspected infected patients. And another thing that you may appreciate is the setting of the clinic, of the room in which we are operating, in which all the surfaces are have been left without any object, and in which the space is ready for being cleaned and disinfected between the patients. Another thing that you have to take in consideration is that patients have to be admitted and dismissed one by one, and not with a sequence that must take in consideration a time in which the room will be clean, disinfected, and the air will be changed, opening the window for 10 minutes.